We in the kitchen cooking. We cooking us a oven roasted turkey. Turkey right there, 10-pound turkey. Turned out delicious, succulent, juicy and moist. I went ahead and sliced up 2 oranges. Just 2 oranges. I didn't add no bell peppers, no onions, no apples. Just 2 oranges and some fresh thyme. Got the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Didn't have no twine, but I came up with that aluminum foil idea right there. Now you make sure you tuck those wings up under the bird. You don't want them getting crispy too quick on you. No liquid is added to this. None whatsoever. No liquid. Now we about an hour in. So we going to go ahead and cover the top of that bird because we don't want that breast meat to dry out. That's why people don't like to cook whole turkeys. They afraid of that doggone breast meat being too dry. So you cover it up to prevent that. Put that back in. Say about 30 minutes later, take that tent off. Look at that. We almost there. Not just yet, but we almost there. So we're going to go ahead and just baste it. Like I said before, no liquid was added. Not even no butter. That golden butter wasn't added. But we still got that good, delicious, moist flavor in there. You baste that just one time only. 30 minutes later. Total of 2 hours and 35 minutes. Subscribe if you like what you see. We got a juicy turkey.